Hey, welcome back. I'm Jenna Matthew, and today we are going to do something powerful. We are going to practice English shadowing. Now, before we start, I need to ask you something. Do you ever feel nervous when you speak English? Do you stop yourself because you are afraid of making mistakes? Yeah, me too. A lot of people do. But here is the truth. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. Confidence comes after. The more you speak, the more confident you become. It's that simple. And that is exactly why shadowing works. When you shadow, you listen and you repeat. You hear real English. You feel how it sounds in your mouth. You train your brain and your voice at the same time. So today, we are going to spend 8 minutes together. Just you, me, and the sentences on your screen. And here's how it works. It's very easy. First, look at the text on your screen. Read it with your eyes first. Then, when I say repeat, you say the sentence out loud. Say it with me. Don't be shy. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, that is okay. We are practicing, not performing. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to speak. Every time you repeat, your brain gets stronger. Every time you speak, your confidence grows a little more. So are you ready? Let's do this together. Take a breath and let's go. Okay, let's begin. I will say each sentence slowly. You will repeat after me. Follow the text on your screen. Let's start. I am confident when I speak English. Repeat. I am confident when I speak English. Again. I am confident when I speak English. One more time. I am confident when I speak English. Excellent. Next sentence. I speak clearly and slowly. Repeat. I speak clearly and slowly. Again. I speak clearly and slowly. One more time. I speak clearly and slowly. Perfect. Keep going. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Again. I am not afraid of making mistakes. One more time. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Great. Next one. Every day my English gets better. Repeat. Every day my English gets better. Again. Every day my English gets better. One more time. Every day my English gets better. Wonderful. You are doing great. I practice English because I want to grow. Repeat after me. I practice English because I want to grow. Again. I practice English because I want to grow. One more time. I practice English because I want to grow. Beautiful. Next sentence. I speak even when I feel nervous. Repeat. I speak even when I feel nervous. Again. I speak even when I feel nervous. One more time. I speak even when I feel nervous. Yes, that's it. Keep going. My voice is strong and clear. Repeat after me. My voice is strong and clear. Again. My voice is strong and clear. One more time. My voice is strong and clear. Excellent. Almost there. I believe in myself. Repeat. I believe in myself. Again. I believe in myself. One more time. I believe in myself. Perfect. Last one. I am ready to speak English with confidence. Repeat after me. I am ready to speak English with confidence. Again. I am ready to speak English with confidence. One more time. I am ready to speak English with confidence. Yes, amazing. You did it. That was incredible. You just completed 8 minutes of English shadowing. Do you feel it? Your mouth is warmer now. Your brain is more awake. That is what practice does. Every single time you repeat, you get a little better, a little stronger, a little more confident. So please come back tomorrow. Do it again and again, because that is how real English confidence is built, one sentence at a time. Now I have a challenge for you. Go to the comments right now. Type this: I am ready to speak. That's it. Just those 5 words. Let me see how many confident English learners are watching today. I'll be reading every single comment. See you in the next video. You've got this.